Hello, campers. We got a new toy. It's this little thing. Um, this is a one-wind pig storage hammock. It's a storage hammock for my main hammock. And it's a tiny little thing, and luckily it comes with instructions on how to tie a prusik knot. Prusik. I know some of you experts already know. I don't have a clue. I'm terrible at knots. I failed knot tying in Scouts. I failed Scouts. I pushed old ladies in front of cars instead of helping them across the street. Anyway, this is my tinsel stand, which I absolutely love. I can set up anywhere. I don't need trees. A lot of campgrounds out here on the left coast don't allow you to set up a hammock on a tree. A lot of campgrounds don't even have a hammock or trees in a space. So, tinsel, thumbs up. All for it. Highly recommend. So, on my tinsel stand, my main camping hammock is my Hammock, which hangs sideways and is likewise awesome. But I got me a what is this? It's a War Bonnet Traveler hammock, double layered for big guys. So I can use an air mat or any kind of mat in between the layers to keep warm. I went camping last week in it, and this is a Wise Owl snakeskin or tube cover, and it's handy to just throw everything together. It's a little tight with my Wise Owl underquilt, which is the first time I've had an underquilt, and it was so hot last week with the underquilt I actually had to pull it off to one side like this until about 2 in the morning. It finally cooled off enough that I needed it, and I just reached down and did that. So it's warm, and it's a lot easier than trying to slide a air mat in between these two layers. I like my Traveler. I'm still getting used to it. I've gotten used to my Hammock. That's the first time I've used the underquilt. So all the traditional hammock stuff is new to me. So you trolls, sorry, I don't know what I'm doing. I just threw this together, so I'm not sure if this is set to the right angle yet. Actually, I'll lower that end and raise this end a little. But for the purposes of our demonstration today, it's just fine. So this is what I spent all the money on. Actually, it wasn't. It was like, I don't know, I think 12 bucks, 10 bucks, somewhere in that neighborhood, maybe 12 bucks. If it's as nice as I hope. Look at that. Oh, and I can put it as a rain bonnet. Am I too close? I can, a shower cap. It's, I believe, a backpack cover if you need a backpack cover. So I've read a lot about onewind, and it's supposed to be very high quality for a import Amazon item, and this seems to be good quality. So I'll be checking them out more. So my goal, I like to read when I'm camping. I've got my Kindle, sometimes a book, usually my Kindle. I need someplace to tuck. Last time I just slid it into the underquilt and that worked fine, but look at that. Stretch it, store. It'll actually hold quite a bit, won't it? Look at that, my hat. I think this will be handy once I figure out a prusik knot. Let's see. Place your loop. I don't have a loop. Take the formed end and wrap around the ridge line, blah, blah, blah. Pull formed end, push outward. Man, that's complicated. I'll work on it, try to figure it out, but yeah, this is, it's going to be a nice size. My head, this is the head end. Maybe too close to the head. Definitely room down at the feet, but I'll be able to slide it back and forth. I've actually got a ton of hooks also. I could just hook on. I think I like it. Yeah, the hooks won't be tight, so I need to learn how to tie a knot. It's a thumbs up. Provisionally, it seems quality. So that's it. Thanks for watching, y'all. That's our story, and we're sticking to it. See you next time. Bye.